Assalamu alaikum my dear friends, welcome back again my YouTube channel. So how are you all? I hope you people are pretty fine and good. God bless you, always be happy in your life, always be keep smile. So dear viewers, dear friends and dear subscribers, today you will see in this video very beautiful and very stylish. You will see modern, plus size, plain, mother of the bride, meaty dresses, ideas. Very attractive and very stylish. You will see unique, plain, mother of the bride, meaty dresses, ideas in 2023. So guys, I might suggest it, just keep on watching this video till the end. So dear viewer, you will see unique 40 plus stylish haircuts, hair colors and hairstyles ideas. So viewers, please tell me in the comment section. And you will see modern beautiful dresses ideas, plain dresses with matching handbags and photo collection designs. So viewers, please visit my YouTube channel, check the all videos. So I have uploaded wedding wear, office wear, party wear and evening wear, unique different dresses designs. So lovely viewers, if you like my videos, so viewers, please download it my videos. And you like this one stylish plain midi dresses design, so take a screenshot and save to your mobile. Today you will see in this videos new very stylish, unique different midi dresses designs. So dear viewers, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to give your feedback in the comment section. Your positive feedback encourages me and motivates me to bring stylish older women bob with bangs, haircuts, ideas. So lovely viewer, you will see in this videos rounded shape neck designs and long sleeves with matching handbags. You will see attractive plain midi dresses designs. So lovely viewers, thank you so much guys for visit my YouTube channel. Subscribe my channel and watch my videos and enjoy your attractive haircuts ideas. So dear viewers, today you will see in this video different colors and different stylish midi dresses designs. If you like my videos, so viewers, please download my videos. You will see all modern 40 plus attractive girls bob with bangs, haircuts, modern midi dresses. So take care friends. Allah Hafiz.